G'day team, I'm just here with the 35 litre Tool Pro Shop wet and dry vacuum cleaner. I thought I'd finally make a video about this thing that SuperCheap Auto sent out to me. I'll put a whole lot of specs and stuff for this down in the description below, but I was just cleaning out this old outhouse sort of thing, and I thought I'd show you the suction ability of this vacuum. It's pretty good. I've used it heaps since I've had it for coming up like 6 months now, so had it for a while, definitely used it heaps. Haven't done a whole lot of like wet vacuuming yet, but from what I can tell, the suction's real good. I'll put all the details as I said down below, but here it is. You've got it's got a blow function as well. The suction obviously down that one. It's got a plug that you can, plug your stuff into, and that switch is on top, so you can turn that on and off as well. Got a nice handle, nice wheels that you put on yourself. It comes all disassembled, you have to do it yourself. But I thought I'd just give you a quick, there's not a whole lot you can say about a vacuum cleaner, but I'll show you its suction ability with all the leaves and stuff in there, and we'll see how it does. Glass of water. I don't know if you're meant to do this or not, but we'll give it a go. Pretty good suction. We just sucked up half a glass of water there. So just a quick I mean, obviously the leaves and stuff are a bit big to fit up there, but a lot of it got sucked up. I mean, it's yeah, it's definitely got enough suction for the workshop and what have you. So there it is, yeah, 35 litre vacuum, wet and dry vacuum by Tool Pro, and I just sucked up half a glass of water. I don't know if that's should be done or not, but there you go. That'll do it. Sweet guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, go and check out this vacuum cleaner if you want one. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it so far. So, cheers.